Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a yarn unboxing from Ice Yarn. Okay, I bought this yarn from Turkey and it's organic baby cotton in 2019, and I bought a similar yarn to this, so I'm just trying to figure out, I hope the color matches. And yeah, it's 50 gram, and I don't care about the price at the moment, but if I have to, I might need to go and buy this particular yarn if the color doesn't match. I haven't started. I'm planning to knit a sweater for my son, and being so soft. So let's open this, and I bought some other yarn as well. And this package is under 20 Canadian dollar. The shipping is extra, of course. I'm not counting the shipping because anything we pay over $20, we charge custom fee. So that's the reason I didn't go over 20 Canadian dollars. Okay, so just opening it with you and hoping the color will match. Oh, okay. Yeah, these are going to go for donation. And I will put the links. I'll pin it. So I bought two. I think they were 4 Canadian dollars for some change. So it adds up to 8. Okay, I'm hoping it's it's very close. Let's see. So this is organic. Let me look in the bag. Nothing else. Oh my goodness. I think it's the same color. Come on. Cross your fingers. Oh. There's a tint different. Just a little bit of different. What I'll do is I can knit these ribs with this yarn. Yeah, it's the same yarn. It's really hard to see it in the camera, but see? Brand name charges more, no name. Well, this is it's like a no name, but it's under Ice Yarn who's selling these, so the price is way cheaper than this fellow. I think these are sold for, I don't know, 5 Canadian dollars. And this 4 of them is sold for 10 Canadian dollars. So, like I said, the whole package is under 20. I believe $18 and some change. Let me just look. Can't believe it. Well, I was in Turkey and I touched the yarn and I felt the yarn and I smelled the yarn. So that's how I bought it. But other than that, I usually go to Ice Yarn for the quality because they're really same. Just looking. And another thing, I bought this in 2019. Am I going to get the same color even if the dye, the lot is same? You know, that's another thing. So I'm just looking. It says 50 gram as this one. And it says 115 meter. Same as this one. This one's 115. Yardage, this one doesn't give that yardage. It's recommending 4 to 5 knitting needles, and this one is recommending 4 to 5 knitting needles. And a crochet, it's a 3. So what would you think? It says this is a 3 weight. Yeah, this is organic as well, as you can see, organic baby cotton. So it's the same yarn, but the color is just a little bit different. So what I will do is I'm going to order another bag just to be on the safe side. I can't order 2 because then the price goes up to $20 because it's 10 some change. You know, you just need to be cautious. Canadian dollars again. These are in Canadian dollars. I am so happy I found the color, and I do have a blue color as well. But let me knit this one first up and then see if I can, you know, work it out. But I will do the collar, the core, the sleeves, rib, And the neck area, I can work with this, and maybe the neck area will show it up, but yeah, just love it. It's the same. Just looking at the yarn. Even this is better, way better. Can you see? Way better spin compared to this one. You see? This is loose. I would give this a 10 out of 10. The color is so close. It's just this is like a greenish gray, and this is more like a gray. Yeah, this is a true color of the gray. Oh, wow. Can't believe it. Okay, let's open one of these. I thought this was a 4-weight. It says it's a 4-weight, but it looks more like a 5-weight. Oh, super soft. This would be perfect. I can knit this on the knitting machine. I can even try it. Yeah. Well, I can even make a sweater with this quantity, right? Because it's 140 gram, 235 meter. It's 100% acrylic. Wow. Can't believe it. And this is the number on this. For hand knit items, I would recommend hand washing and lay it flat. Okay, this lot number, did I give you the lot number? It's not showing here. Okay, so this one, lot number, the number that you can find, but I will put the link, so nothing to worry about. It's 54726. Yeah, there's only 4 in it, so 200 gram of this. But here, this one's 100, what was it? 140, so 280 gram. Yeah, less than 300 gram, but it's super soft. Yeah. Love it, love it. This would be great for fall colors. I'll grab 2 more bags of this. Yeah, I really like it. And it's called Cakes Isa. Yeah, this is just a short video doing my unboxing. It's not complicated. And the prices are decent, as I said. So, yeah, just wanted to share you this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Yeah, it says it's a 4-weight. You know what I mean? It's pretty thick. It reminds me of the Bernat Optimistic. Yeah, I had so much of that yarn. It wasn't even good quality. I sold everything I had. I used to make baby booties with it, but this is super soft. I wish they had different colors. This is the only color they have. It's discontinued, I think. You guys take care. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.